Creating a color story for the HGTV Dream Home 2019 meant looking no further than just outside. The Timeless Beauty Color Collection from HGTV Home by Sherwin-Williams is full of nature-inspired colors. These helped me hone the palette I chose for the entire house. Besides infusing the entire house with color, these shades each add a unique personality to every room in the house. But at the same time, all of these colors flow together perfectly. In the guest room, I chose a deep autumnal shade of red called Salute. This might seem like an unexpected choice for a bedroom, however, the warm undertones make this an incredibly soothing color. Here in the great room, I went with a paint color called Chat Room, and it's the perfect blend of warm gray and taupe. Also, it's so neutral, it doesn't compete at all with that beautiful view outside the window. Not only is the color neutral, so is the mood it creates, which is a calm and balanced feeling. As the center of this open concept house, this was the perfect choice for this grand great room. The lodge has a totally different vibe. This space is active and meant to encourage hanging out before and after a long day on the slopes. I chose the color Anchors Away, a deep shade of navy blue that reminds me of the Montana skies. From room to room, the colors and the moods change, but collectively, the whole palette works together to create a beautiful, vivid color story.